Okay, it's been a while since we've made a video, so I thought I'd catch you up with our fish tanks, how they're going. We've got a couple of fish in there. See, last time, well, this has been a while ago because there was a different fish in there that then jumped out and died overnight. And so it's been replaced by these two guys that are not jumpers, and so they're safe. And then we got all kinds of plants in here. Some grassy-like plants. This hornwort over here, the bushy-looking thing. I forget what the light green thing is. Anyway, I made in order to do a pond effectively, you need to have flow from one end to the other. And so I used just a regular old fish tank pump and filter there, but instead of having the sucker arm go down to the bottom of the tank, I put a tube on it and it goes all the way to the other end, and then I put it into a Pepsi bottle full of polyfill batting, and you put inside of pillows and stuff like that. And so it gets all full of junk and algae, and then I take it out and clean it and put new batting in there, and it works pretty well. See, the water's nice and clean, so that's the important thing. And then over here not a lot new in terms of animals in the saltwater tank here. We're still working up that. I tried a couple of corals, and those didn't survive, so I'm still not doing it right. But here we have this nice purple thing over here. I don't know if the camera picks it up very well, but the purple thing is a sponge, and it's actually both fluorescent and photosynthetic. And so you don't have to feed it anything. A sponge is not a plant, I don't think. I'm not sure if it's an animal either. But anyway, it's purple in color. It's also fluorescent, and so if I turn just the blue light on, it glows nice and bright. But of course, everything else looks kind of blue as well, so you can't really tell. So seems to be a lot of blue glare in the. There we go. All right. And other than that, we just have some macroalgae, those green things at the bottom, and then some snails and a hermit crab, and that's about it. So eventually, we'll add some kind of fish, and so that's what's happening at our house in terms of fish. We still have the glowfish tank over there. Still got the cats. Yeah, there's the glowfish tank. We got rid of the lizard because my son stopped feeding it, but I think that's all in terms of critters. So I'll catch you up on other things at some point, but we'll have to do for the meantime, since the battery seems to be wearing out on this camera.